Hello again, and we're back to our little prototyping of a Tinder style app to trade second-hand items. You can see we've managed to put in an image, and we have the swipe function that doesn't seem to be working. So we have an issue actually there. What we can do is we like something, we dislike something, we like something, and no more items, and that's it for the app at the moment. So what we want to do, we first rectify the issue of the images. So we need another sample image of an electrical guitar. I'll try to find this with Google, electric plus guitar, and there's a good sample image. This one. Copy the image address, replace the placeholder URL, and we do the same for the third item, the dining table. And we pick a random table, let's say this one. Go back to the actual place, there you go. Copy the image address, replace the placeholder, and let's do preview. It's running. Allows access, like this one too. And so for now, this part works as well.